I'll share my screen and then so once you get to the back end, you log in with your email and password. Once you are logged in, you come to posts as it is in shared law, and these are the articles. Depending on where you're starting from, you take your keyword and your meta description and title tag, and then you come here on the back end of Studio Share to look for the article. Then you edit. It is not like Share Law. It's not block editor. It's not a block editor, so you have to manage. Like I said, it's always good to preview your work. Preview on the front end here. Then this is what it looks like this. So you just be cleaning up, like we have this one, SEO. So this is how you find it. You come down under the post, you scroll down, 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 down. It's not like rank math. You scroll down, this is where you find it here. So you put the keyword focus keyphrase. This is where you put the keyword in the focus keyphrase section. Then you enter your meta description. What? Why is the meta description this short? Are you whining me? Reliable planning partner. Paste the meta description. Reliable planner. I'm going to optimize. I'll re-optimize this meta description as well. Paste your meta description, and I can generate the meta description with AI here. Oops. Unlock Yoast Premium. Try for free. Apply meta description. Yeah, thank you. So with that, next thing to optimize is the SEO title, which is here. So you take the title and then you paste. Awesome. And you're done. Update. So one of the ways that you know that you have optimized is that you will look at, see this SEO analysis here. This SEO analysis on the right says not available. When you are done optimizing, you see something like this. You see either good or you see okay. SEO analysis, good or okay. You know, Rank Math has score. It has a scoring system. So that is it. It's just simple. It's as simple as that. Oh, done. And then if you come back to the post here, this is the article here. This one, your planning partner from start to finish. You see that there's no color. There's no indication here for the SEO. But if I refresh it now, you would see that it has some improvement, and you see that it has gone to green. So you see that's the difference between this one and rank maths. Okay, so that is it. Do we have any question?
How about the images? Are we optimizing the image for this one?
Yes, you add image. And so to add an image, like Shite Law, this is its featured image on the right. You just get the image, optimize it, then upload it. Get set featured image, upload it, then update.
So the image setting is still the same as child law.
You can see my cursor where it is set featured image. You see it where it is, right? It's on
No,
the
I can't
side.
see it though. Where is it?
It's on the sidebar to the right. Sidebar to the right. See it. Follow my cursor now. Can you see my cursor?
Oh yeah.
You can see featured image, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So,
So the image standard, is it the same thing as Charlotte Law?
yeah, it's always the same thing across any platform that you're optimizing. It's the same thing across.
Okay.
So, action points, meta title optimize, meta description optimize, keyword insert keyword, complete the article, use your ChatGPT prompt to complete, remove that jargon at the